If you have a lawn or property that has a lot of trees, chances are you're going to end up with several branches and twigs laying around. The best way to keep your yard clean and maintained is to invest in a wood chipper shredder. These machines are certainly helpful in the spring and fall season, and they're easy to use. Your twigs, leaves, and branches can be repurposed into bits and pieces into fresh mulch for your yard with a wood chipper and shredder. Having to find the best chipper shredder that you like for your home and suits your needs depends on the size and features. If you're looking for some help in narrowing down the selections, stay with us as today we're going to introduce the 5 best wood chipper shredders on the market. Let's begin. Number 1 on our list is the Sun Joe 1.5-inch 15-amp electric wood shredder. This wood chipper uses a powerful 15-amp motor and produces speeds of up to 4,300 revolutions per minute, making fast work out of the leaves, branches, and brush. This wood chipper and shredder is perfect for being able to make mulch for your garden, flower bed, and compost piles. This wood chipper is a great option for homeowners who need it for light-duty shredding. It tears and chips branches up to 1.5 inches thick. It helps bring down garden waste to up to 1/17 from its original size. With this wood chipper shredder, you won't have to worry about assembly. The main body is already put together in one piece from the factory. The only thing you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver and a wrench to attach the wheels and hubcaps to the main body. This wood chipper is also incredibly portable. The Sun Joe 15-amp electric wood chipper is just 26 pounds and has large wheels that will easily go over uneven ground, flower beds, and backyards. It will certainly fit into most car trunks as well. You can place the wood shredder in a spot where you need it to have those piles of branches and twigs turn into mulch. The fact that it's ready to go after a few tweaks and the blades are serviceable makes this one worth buying. At number 2 is the Wen 15-amp rolling electric wood chipper and shredder. Wen is known for its great reputation of creating well-grounded quality tools that live up to its name. This particular shredder runs a 15-amp motor which can shred a branch up to 1.5 inches thick. Safety is definitely a priority with this machine. The wood chipper shredder has a hopper safety feature and push paddle. It feeds the paddle with onboard storage. It also comes with a debris bag with the chipper shredder and 2 pre-installed blades. This rolling electric wood chipper and shredder has 2 rotating internal 7-inch blades, which turn at a rate of 8,000 cuts per minute, helping you turn branches and lawn trimmings into high-grade mulch in no time. It also comes with a 2-year warranty, and Wen has an excellent selection of replacement parts, along with a customer helpline that delivers excellent quality service. The Wen 15-amp rolling electric wood chipper and shredder also doesn't produce a lot of noise. With its lightweight style, it comes with a handle and 6-inch wheels, which makes this wood chipper and shredder easy to go around in your backyard, and storage won't be a problem either. Well, those are the first 2 wood chippers and shredders on our list. Before we continue, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews. If you want to see our next review after we upload it, make sure to click the bell icon so you'll be updated whenever we post new content. And now back to our list. At number 3 is the PowerSmart 1.6-inch 15-amp electric chipper shredder. Having a chipper shredder without having to worry about overload is an excellent buy. This machine will automatically shut itself off if it's fed too much at one time. This unit will switch off before any damage to the motor is done or its internal system. It's an electrically powered chipper and shredder, so it's swift, powerful, and easy to feed. It runs with a 120-volt, 60Hz, 15-amp motor that operates with a speed of 4,500 revolutions per minute. It allows the wood chipper to take branches down from a cutting capacity of 1.6 inches at only 33 pounds. It's light, tightly packed, and is only 37 inches in height. This can be used by anyone who's new to these kinds of machines because it's so simple and easy to operate. It also has safety locking knob, which stops the wood chipper from working when it's open and loose. If you have a smaller garden that you tend to try to keep tidy and clean, the PowerSmart 1.6-inch 15-amp electric chipper shredder is a must-buy. It's easy to maneuver around your garden and has stable construction that features 6-inch wheels. This is one of the best residential wood chipper shredders available on the market. At number 4 is the LawnMaster FD1501 electric chipper shredder. If you've ever wanted to cut those wood branches without worrying about excessive noise, then this chipper shredder is for you. It can cut and shred wood branches with a maximum of 1.5 inches. It's operated with a powerful motor with 15 amps and is quiet when being operated. You won't have to worry about whether or not it disturbs your neighbors. The LawnMaster also can chip and shred freshly cut wood as well as dry. This chipper shredder is easy to operate and safe. It comes with a free push stick. You can also make things smaller without worrying about getting hurt. The wood shredder comes with 8-inch wheels for portability, making it easy to move this device around in different locations across your yard. It's also lightweight, weighs only 25 pounds, but you may need an extension cord to use it from further distances from the outlet. If you hate sharpening the blades, then this one is even better. Blades on this chipper shredder are reversible, which means you don't have to sharpen them as often. It also comes with a collection bag that can carry 15.85 gallons while collecting the mulch you made from your wood branches with ease. The LawnMaster FD1501 electric chipper shredder is a great option for regular yard maintenance, especially for the price. We're now down to the last item on our list. If you've chosen the best wood chipper shredder for you, check out the links in the description below to catch that item at its best offer. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date on our latest reviews, and click the bell icon so you'll be notified right away when we post new videos. At number 5 is the SunJoe 1.5-inch 14-amp electric wood chipper shredder CJ601E. It runs with a powerful 14-amp motor that runs at 4,300 revolutions per minute. It will help you reduce your backyard waste up to 1/16 of its original size. This wood chipper shredder is not an industrial chipper, but it can do quick work of chipping and shredding small branches and anything that's at least 1.5 inches thick, helping you turn your branches into perfect kindling or mulch. This wood chipper shredder can manage leaves and yard trimmings, giving you nutrient-rich mulch for your plot. If you're minimizing the piles of rubbish for you to throw out afterward, this is a great chipper shredder to use. It's an outstanding tool to assist you in getting your yard waste into a bag of trash. It also comes with safety features that automatically stop when the machine's hopper is opened. The SunJoe 1.5-inch 14-amp electric wood chipper shredder CJ601E does not use gas to power itself up, so users don't need to worry about costly tune-ups, unforeseeable starts, fumes, or smoke. This wood chipper shredder is ready to be used whenever you need it. The SunJoe will never fail their customers because they have excellent customer service as well as an ETL approved rating, and it comes with a 2-year warranty. Choosing the best wood chipper and shredder comes down to your personal needs, how it handles small branches, leaves, and twigs, how quickly you want it to work, how portable and convenient it is to use. From our list, these are some of the best machines among the rest when it comes to quality and ease of use. It's rewarding to see a clean and neat yard and not to have any more problems with branches and sticks. If you found the one that you want to buy, just check out the links in the description below to purchase one right away. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification icon for more updates. Also, we value your comments, so please leave your comments and suggestions below. If there's something you'd like to see us review in the future, leave that as well, and our reviewers will get to work to give you a fair and square review. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in our next review here at the ReviewTube channel.